Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Poco, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and accept any location prompt so discovery works. Next, open the file you want to send and tap Share. Pick Quick Share from the list. Once chosen, make your device visible, select contacts, or everyone depending on security. You'll see nearby devices populate. Tap the recipient's name to start discovery. Make sure the receiver's screen is unlocked so the pairing request can appear instantly. You now pick the files. Long press one item to enable multi-select, then tap others to add them. Once you hit send, watch for the recipient's device in the list and tap to initiate. The receiver will get a prompt to accept or decline. After they accept, a progress bar shows transfer speed and % complete. If you need to stop, use pause or cancel. Quick Share uses Wi-Fi direct, so transfers are fast, but can resume if interrupted. You finish by verifying the received file in Downloads or Gallery. Open it to confirm integrity. Once confirmed, move or rename it in the Files app or immediately share it onward. If you sent multiple items, Quick Share shows a completion summary. Tap Done to clear. If a transfer fails, try toggling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure both devices are unlocked and visible, then retry. This simple reset often fixes discovery or connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.